It's the Wild Wild Roses Run Review. The Wild Wild Roses Random Review.
Hi everybody, this is the extended review on our 25 ton Countyline tractor supply brand log splitter. We've had this for, I don't know, 3-4 years. So, you know, how does it work? Did it last? What problems have we had? Really, this has been an excellent machine. Now, obviously, we've got this standing up. This also stuck in about tilts down, so you can use it horizontally or vertically. We prefer vertical because we don't have to lift the wood up onto it to do it. So this is how we use it. Couple of things I did read when we first got it is that some people said that the wheel bearings weren't greased enough and they had problems when they picked it up and towed it behind their car, is that their things would seize up. So when we got this, we pulled it back on a trailer and I pulled the wheels off and checked, and yes, now whether they've changed it or not I don't know, but the bearings were very, very lightly greased. I mean, not enough. So I repacked the bearings myself, and now if I wanted to, you know, I could tow it around behind the car. But worth noting, check. I don't know if they've changed that policy or not, but they weren't greased enough to be towed on the road at that point when we got it. Other than that, the only other issue we've had with it is that we left it out like this, and we're in East Texas. When it rains, it rains. And one time we came out, it had been fine. Came out, checked the oil, and somehow or another the water had got in the engine and emulsified the oil. So I don't know how it got in, really. I mean, obviously it got in probably through the air cleaner. I mean, it's the only way into the engine as it is. So now we just keep a cover on it. So if you're going to get one, you probably want to keep it either covered or undercover, just to avoid that.
The engine part.
But other than that,
this part here, keeping that part covered.
Yes, the engine.
Yes, not the. You don't have to have the whole thing, because we've actually had the rest of it out in the elements, and it's really holding up well. We do have it underneath a tree, mind you, but it's holding up really well as far as any type of tarnishing and rusting and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool.
So anyway, it's a Kohler engine on this one. We haven't had a problem starting it. Mama was just using it.
I just used it. I started it all by myself.
You know, it's the on-off.
Oh, hold on.
Button at the back. Big red button. You can't really miss it. And you know, normally, of course, you give it the choke. I actually snapped this off, so that's my bad. But choke, and that's fuel on. This is your throttle. So you don't need a whole bunch of throttle to start it. Just it's already been warmed up, so I can take the choke off right away. Normally I've got to give it 10-15 seconds and then just it only goes down when you're holding it, like a dead man's handle kind of thing. But when you go to back it up, it'll just go all the way till it gets to the top, and then kick off the neutral. So
it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
that's that. We've split all kinds of wood, big briggedy things and little things, and it's never had a problem really cracking anything. It's been a really good machine. The only thing for people who live in East Texas or where they have those wasps, they got into the slot at the end and made a nest in there, and all of a sudden they were popping out like crazy. But anyway, took care of that.
It sound right, boy.
So the only thing I would recommend is, as we have here, is a chair for you to sit on while you're doing it, because God knows your back will be killing you otherwise. So there you go. Wonderful, no problems.
Yeah, really.
Use it a lot.
Yeah, you don't want to get a little nip from this thing. It doesn't feel good.
Listen, if it can split an oak log or any other hardwood log, I don't think you'll have a problem taking your thumb off. So pay attention, because you know you're looking for your next log, you turn away, you move a little bit, and suddenly your thumb's in the way of where it's coming down. So just, be aware of that. Always pay attention to what your hands are doing versus the machine, and you will be fine.
Yep.
So there you go. All right. Thank you.
Welcome back to Wild Rose Haven, where